Hi friends, welcome back to a new video on AB coins. The Australian Elizabeth II $1 coin from 2015 is a part of Australia's ongoing series of coins that feature Queen Elizabeth II's effigy. The design, history, and geographical significance of this coin tell an interesting story about both Australian currency and the country's relationship with the British monarchy. The $1 coin was first introduced in Australia in 1984 to replace the $1 banknote. The decision to replace the banknote with a coin was made to save money in the long term, as coins have a longer lifespan than paper currency. The original coin featured an image of an indigenous Australian elder and a kangaroo, symbolic of Australia's national identity. The $1 coin's design has evolved over time, with various commemorative versions produced for special events, anniversaries, and significant milestones in Australian history. In 2015, the Royal Australian Mint issued a coin featuring the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, following the tradition of using the Queen's likeness on Australian currency since her ascension to the throne in 1952. Queen Elizabeth II's image has been featured on various coins in different countries throughout her reign, as Australia, a Commonwealth nation, continues to recognize the British monarchy. The coin minted in 2015 specifically follows the tradition of the Australian $1 series but stands out because it is part of a long-running series marking various occasions. There were also special commemorative $1 coins issued in 2015 to mark the centenary of the Anzac, Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, troops landing at Gallipoli during World War. On the obverse side of the 2015 $1 coin is an effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark. This design has been used in Australian coinage since 2015, replacing the previous effigy designed by Ian Rank Broadley. The Queen's image is shown in profile, wearing the royal diadem, with the inscription Elizabeth II and Australia surrounding her portrait. Additionally, the year 2015 is included on the obverse, along with the mint mark. The reverse side of the $1 coin often changes with different commemorative issues. However, the standard reverse design is often a stylized image of Australia's iconic Australian kangaroo, accompanied by the inscription $1. The kangaroo is a national symbol and represents Australia's unique wildlife. Apart from the regular $1 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II's portrait, 2015 also saw the release of special commemorative $1 coins, including Anzac Centenary Coin, 2015. The Anzac Centenary Coin, issued in 2015, celebrated the 100th anniversary of the Anzac forces landing at Gallipoli in 1915. The coin's reverse design depicted soldiers in combat, honoring the bravery and sacrifices made by Australian and New Zealand soldiers during World War I. Other commemorative issues. Other designs mark the contributions of different facets of Australian history, including the original designs of Indigenous Australians or the history of specific Australian cities. Australia is a large, diverse country that spans both the southern and eastern hemispheres, surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It is a continent and a country, known for its rich geography ranging from vast deserts to tropical rainforests and iconic landmarks like the Great Barrier Reef and Uluru, Ayers Rock. In terms of cultural geography, the Australian $1 coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II, connects Australia to its colonial past as a former British colony. The coin symbolizes both the country's monarchy and its evolution into a sovereign, independent nation. The $1 coin is also a recognition of Australia's modern identity and its respect for its history while embracing multiculturalism. Australia's official head of state is Queen Elizabeth II, who serves as the constitutional monarch of the country. This relationship is a result of Australia's status as a member of the Commonwealth, which includes countries that once formed part of the British Empire. However, over the decades, Australia has gained full legislative and executive independence from the British Crown. The 1986 Australia Act officially ended the power of the British Parliament over Australian affairs. Despite this, the monarchy remains a central figure in Australia's constitutional system, with the Queen represented in Australia by the Governor-General, who is appointed by the monarch. The use of the Queen's image on currency remains a source of discussion and debate in Australia. Some Australians argue that it is time to move away from the monarchy and adopt a republic system, while others see the monarchy as an important part of Australian heritage and identity. The presence of the Queen's effigy on coins serves as a reminder of the country's historical ties to Britain, while the design of the coin featuring kangaroos, other animals, and indigenous designs reflect Australia's national pride and unique identity. The Australian dollar is a fully convertible currency and is used across the Australian continent, including its external territories like Christmas Island, Norfolk Island, and the Cocos, Keeling, Islands. The Australian economy is one of the largest in the world, known for its strong services and mining sectors. The $1 coin plays an essential role in daily transactions and is often used for small purchases or as a token in Australian society. The coin itself is made of aluminum bronze, which gives it a golden color, and it is used extensively in both circulation and as part of collections. Since 1984, it has been a staple of everyday transactions, and the coin is regularly issued with new designs to celebrate national events or special occasions. The 2015 Australian Elizabeth II $1 coin, like others in the series, represents much more than just currency. It connects the country to its past, acknowledges its ongoing connection with the British monarchy, and celebrates Australia's national identity through its coin's design. The coin's design evolution reflects both Australia's desire to honor its heritage and its aspirations for the future as an independent, multicultural nation. With the Queen's image on the obverse and national symbols like the kangaroo and Anzac references on the reverse, the coin provides insight into Australia's history, geography, and cultural values.